The Ingersoll Rand 114GQC standard duty air hammer can be used for cutting metals, fixing exhaust systems, or making general car repairs. Powered by compressed air, this tool delivers a 2 5/8" stroke and 3,500 blows per minute, (BPM), and is equipped with a quick change retainer that makes it easy to release and change chisel attachments. Its rugged design includes an alloyed steel barrel and a heat-treated piston, providing long-lasting use and dependability. This toolset comes included with 3 chisels, including a tapered punch, a panel cutter, and a flat chisel. Additional features include a diffused handle exhaust, an award-winning ergonomic palm grip that offers the best comfort and reduces vibration, a built-in power regulator, a professional touch trigger, and a 0.401-inch shank. It's lightweight, compact, and made of extra sturdy construction. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 3-piece chisel kit. The Ingersoll Rand 114GQC air hammer comes with 3 chisel attachments: tapered punch, panel cutter, flat chisel, making it a handy power tool for cutting metal panels, fixing exhaust systems, scraping surfaces, chipping, and making auto body repairs. Number 2. Quick change. This standard duty air hammer is equipped with a quick change retainer that makes it easy to swap attachment chisel bits, so you can work seamlessly and finish jobs faster. Number 3. Rugged, light, compact. It has a medium-length, alloyed steel barrel and is powered by a heat-treated piston. Other features include a built-in power regulator, professional touch trigger, 0.401-inch shank, and diffused exhaust at the bottom of the handle. Number 4. Award-winning design. It has an award-winning ergonomic design that delivers exceptional torque accuracy with increased productivity and safety. The tool's contoured hand grip reduces vibration and offers the best comfort while working. Number 5. Proven reliability. Count on this tool to get the job done right, every time. This long-lasting hammer will withstand tough environments, repeated drops, and exposure to harsh chemicals. Number 6. Efficient design with quick change retainer. Delivering a 2 5/8" stroke and 3,500 BPM, and designed for maximum efficiency, the Ingersoll Rand 114GQC standard duty air hammer is great for cutting metals, chipping and scraping surfaces, and working on exhaust systems. A quick disconnect retainer allows you to change chisels quickly and easily so you can finish jobs faster. Number 7. Lightweight yet sturdy construction. Like all of Ingersoll Rand's Edge series impact tools, the 114GQC standard duty air hammer is exceptionally rugged, compact, and lightweight. It comes equipped with a medium-length, alloyed steel barrel for long life and is powered by a heat-treated piston. Other highlights include a built-in power regulator, a professional touch trigger, a 0.401-inch shank, and a diffused exhaust at the bottom of the handle. Number 8. Award-winning ergonomic design. The Ingersoll Rand 114GQC standard duty air hammer features an award-winning ergonomic design that delivers exceptional torque accuracy along with increased productivity and safety. The tool's contoured grip offers greater comfort while you're working. This product measures 8.5 inches long and weighs 4.1 pounds. Included is a 3-piece chisel set featuring a tapered punch, a panel cutter, and a flat chisel. Number 9. About Ingersoll Rand. Ingersoll Rand is a global, diversified firm providing products, services, and solutions to enhance the quality and comfort of air in homes and buildings, transport and protect food and perishables, secure homes and commercial properties, and increase industrial productivity and efficiency. Driven by a 100-year-old tradition of technological innovation, Ingersoll Rand enables its customers to create progress and a positive impact in their world. Number 10. What's in the box? Ingersoll Rand 114GQC standard duty air hammer and a chisel set containing a tapered punch, panel cutter, and flat chisel. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.